Hey you guys, it's Peter, and welcome to my channel, Peter! Boom, 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 boom. Review stuff. I don't even know where that came from. And I'm getting ready to roll through Starbucks. I have several cups with me today. I have my Starbucks water cup with me today that I put all my water in. And then I have my hot drink Starbucks cup that I absolutely love that I haven't used yet. Here's a little Starbucks thing on there. And then Frank, if you want to go watch my vlog, it'll be up tomorrow. But Frank just sent me all kinds of nice things and sent Alex and I each a Arizona tumbler. So I'm going to use that today. And I want to review either the purple drink, because I reviewed the pink drink and everybody was like, you've got to review the purple drink. You've got to review the purple drink. So I either want to do that. Now somebody else is going ahead of me. I don't like that. First place. Second place is first loser. Okay, so anyway, I want to either review the purple drink or I was going to actually do the, well, I have a milkshake that I'm going to do tomorrow. Or I was going to do the purple drink, or I was going to make my own drink. But that's only if my barista Josh is here. And I don't ever know when Josh is here anymore, apparently. So anyway, let's get into this.
Welcome to Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Josh, it's Peter.
Peter, hi, how are you?
Okay, well, you weren't here yesterday, and they basically said that you only work one day a week, and I didn't know that.
What? I am here Friday, Saturday, Sunday, usually. Although yesterday I went and saw ABBA on Symphony of the Prairie, so I wasn't here yesterday.
Oh, how was it?
You know, it was ABBA on the prairie. It was exactly what you expect.
Mamma mia, mamma mia, mamma
right,
mia, let me go.
Wine.
Mamma mia, but with wine. Okay, how fun. Did Jacob go? Was it a little date night?
Yes, we went, Jacob and I, and my cousin and her fiance.
Okay, so you know I'm recording this, right?
Oh, are you? Oh my gosh, okay, all right.
Okay, first I need to get a venti iced coffee with one equal.
Of course.
And I have my own cup.
Okay.
And then I would like to, would you help me invent a drink?
Okay.
Could you do that?
We'll do our best. What are we doing?
Okay, so I'm going to Las Vegas next Wednesday.
Okay.
So I thought it would be fun to come up with a drink called the Starbucks Vegas Allnighter.
Okay.
Okay, so we got to think about like the theme, right? Okay, you're going to Vegas, so it's hot. So we need like a hot drink, I think, right?
Are you sure you don't want to do an ice drink to cool off while you're in Vegas?
That's a good idea. Pools, we're thinking pools. Okay, so we're gonna do an ice drink.
Okay.
And then we're going to do, we need probably some, don't you think, espresso to keep us up late? Like, what do you...
Yeah, you definitely are going to want some espresso to go in that.
Okay, what's that? I used to, back in the day, get the thing that's called the red eye or whatever. It's like 5 shots.
Oh, that's just a coffee and with a shot in it. That's hardly worth making.
Okay, so...
what am I going to make for you, Peter?
Let's do 4 shots of espresso.
Okay, let's do 4 shots of espresso. What kind of flavor should we put in it? Let's,
Yeah, I mean, Vegas has a lot of flavor.
Yeah.
It's hot, it's spicy. Like, don't worry, there's nobody behind me.
Okay, good. So you want to do like, you know what? I'm going to make you, I know what I'm going to make you. I'm not even going to tell you what it is.
Will you tell me when I get up there what it is?
I suppose so. You really want to do 4 shots though? I want to cut you down to 2 shots. You know
okay,
what?
Cut me down to 2 shots. That's fine. I mean, I'm not going to drink the whole thing, so cut me down to 2 shots.
All right, okay.
And then I also, you know what? I mean, it's not like a pretty drink. I don't have to show it, right?
No, it's probably not going to look very pretty.
Well, I mean, sometimes Vegas does it, and sometimes you don't after Vegas, you know?
You know what? It's not going to look pretty, but it's going to taste pretty.
But is it going to keep me up all night and keep me going in Vegas?
Yeah, you're going to have 2 shots, and I'm going to put chai in here for you, so it's going to be a little spicy.
Well, I also have my own cup for that, too.
You have your own cup for this one? What size do you want to do that?
Well, I guess a venti.
Okay. All right.
I'm so excited.
In that case, I'm going to bump you up to 3 shots, then. You're going to do a venti. I'm just making this up as I go, Peter. I hope this is good.
And you know what this is called, don't you?
Did you tell me what it was already?
Yeah, the Vegas Allnighter.
Okay, well,
that's probably why they don't have you Monday through Friday, and they only have you Friday through Sunday.
You know, this is like literally breakfast time for me. I'm hardly awake yet.
Okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm doing my best.
Okay, I'll be up there in a second, Mamma Mia.
Okay, I'll be here.
Okay. He'll be there. There's literally nobody in line. I would never do that if there was somebody behind me. So for all you haters out there that are like, he's keeping the line. There's nobody in line. Hold on a second.
Hello.
Hi. So do you want to hear something funny?
Yes.
Here, let me put you on video. People are requesting that you and I do a video together, like a sit-down video, and you talk about all your favorite drinks and like barista stories and stuff.
You want to do an interview?
You want to do that?
An exclusive interview with...
Oh my god, that'd be so much... You want to do it?
Yeah, I could do that.
Okay, we could do a video and we'll do it on my main channel and we'll call it Sitting Down with My Barista or something.
Can I tell you, I thought... I saw your video yesterday. I thought you were going to ask me to make the Dusty.
Oh, how do you know about that? Oh, because I talked about it in my video. Okay.
I was planning ahead. I was like, what's it gonna be?
Well, you know what? I don't even, so the Dusty, so for, you don't know, I talked about it yesterday. The Dusty is the Starbucks secret menu drink that I came up with in my book.
The one in your book.
But I don't even remember what it is.
Oh, I'm sorry, Peter. Can I get your cups, actually?
But I don't even remember how you make it. I'll have to look it up. Hey, Josh, what gets wetter as it dries?
You asked this yesterday, Peter. It's a towel. I watched your video.
You're so sweet.
You know, I actually have a friend who's a huge fan of yours, and she said, you need to go on and watch Peter's video. He's like spent the first 4 minutes talking about you. And I was like, nuh-uh, shut up. So. Hold
on a second, I'll give you my cups. But did you just say that I have fans? Okay. This is my iced coffee one.
This is for your iced coffee. Will you take the lid?
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. Hold on a second. That was from my mother-in-law. She brought that to me from, I don't know, somewhere Portugal. And then this is my water cup, but we're gonna use this for the, I mean, it's gold. It's even gold, right? That's pretty hot.
Okay, now, do you want to see, I didn't ring this up for your personal cup, I'm sorry. This is your all-nighter.
We'll just keep that. I won't use it. Everybody can be mad at me for not recycling. It's what?
It is no straw lid, at least.
Okay, can you hold it up for the camera to see?
I will. This is the Las Vegas Allnighter. This is chai, 4 pumps of toffee nut, and what did I give you? 3 shots of blonde ristretto shots.
Oh my god.
It's gonna be good.
So it's kind of like you're a fun blonde going to Vegas. I might have to go blonde, but I'm already white. And everybody's going blonde these days anyway.
Absolutely. You know, I did have a blonde mohawk for a while.
I know, I saw it. This is so pretty.
Hopefully you like it. I love chai and toffee nut together.
Should I try it while you're on? Okay.
If you don't like it, I'll feel bad.
So this would literally keep me wild for like days. Did you say if I don't like it, you'll feel bad?
Yeah, if I don't like it, you'll feel bad. You have to try it up there so that if you make a yuck face, I don't look bad. I'm so sorry. I have to go.
Okay, they need you. Okay, sorry to keep you. Thank you. See, I'm always bringing business to Starbucks, and then he's getting in trouble for it. They're like, he doesn't care. I said to him one day, I said, I think I may have caught this on video, but I said, are you gonna get in trouble for being in all these videos? And he was like, no. He was like, I love Starbucks, and Starbucks knows they love me. And then he goes, and there's always other jobs out there. There's other coffee places. But anyway, he's good. People love him. People in Indianapolis, you guys, I get messages all the time from people that are like, which Starbucks does Josh work at? Because I want to go there specifically for them. So when people want to complain about all of that, boost! Is this not the most fantastic one? Somebody said I should get this framed and have it on our wall. And you know what? I said that to my husband and he said, yeah, no. I wanted to do this video so bad yesterday. This was so funny. So, if you think that Josh and I should sit down, I do it on my main channel and I sit down with my barista, let me know on the main channel, or let me know underneath this video and we'll go do that. So anyway, this is what my eyes look like in the morning before I've had my coffee. Okay, so here's the iced coffee. Let's taste that real quick. You know, this is what it's about in life, okay? I just want to have fun. I just want to have fun. I just want to read some good books, see some good movies, hang out with my friends, take a romantic trip, sexy trip with my husband. Who wouldn't want to go to Las Vegas? I cannot wait. Yes, I will be doing a hotel room tour. We're staying in the exact same hotel room that we got married, or that we had the week that we got married. I'm so excited. We are friends with the woman that's like the head concierge, and she's the one that set our whole wedding up. So, you know, I'm going to do a hotel room tour. I think I'm going to do a room service review one night. I'm going to review shows in Vegas. Like, let's just have fun in life. Why does everybody have to be so bitter all the time? Bitter, 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 bitter. Move on, kick rocks with your bitterness. Okay, get your coffee, get your camera, start a fun channel, and have fun with life. It's just not that simple, okay? So here it is, right here, the Vegas Allnighter. It's fantastic. And, well, I don't really know how to tell you what's in it. So anyway, let's sip it and see if I can try it. That is strong. Woo! Hot tamales, that is strong. Oh my God, that is so strong. It tastes so good though. I mean, you can really, you guys, now listen, just for all of you out there that are like, okay, you're seriously gonna drink all of that? No, I'm not gonna drink all this. I'll probably actually take this home and put this in the refrigerator. But, and like sip a little bit of it at a time. So it's chai, 3 shots of espresso, the blonde thing, and then, I mean, all you have to do is ask for the Vegas Allnighter. Basically, I'm the most famous YouTube reviewer in the entire world, so they all know, of course, what it is. Isn't it so pretty? So it's the biscotti, the blonde, 3 shots of espresso, and it's iced because so the ice is for Vegas, okay, get it? Because you're sitting by the pool, cooling off, that's the iced, okay? And then the 3 shots of espressos because you want to stay up all night long. You don't go to Vegas to go to sleep at 6 o'clock, loser, okay? Do you? You do? Oh my God, you're so old, you're a loser. No, you go up and you stay up all night long and you walk the strip, and even if you don't want to go to clubs, hey, that's fine. I don't necessarily like the clubs in Las Vegas either. That's why I said in my vlog last night that when my husband worked, now I'm gonna go out to 2 clubs with him, but one night I think I'm gonna stay at home and stay when he's out with his cousin, because his cousin Maya, she lives in Vegas. See, when they probably had about 5 of these, is probably how they'll be acting, but when they're out, no, they drink the Vegas bombs. You know what I'm talking about? I don't do those, okay, because I don't drink alcohol. But anyway, what are those? You know what I'm talking about. They have the Red Bulls and all that stuff in it. Oh my God, this is so strong. Whoo, she don't even know she's in a YouTube video. Oh, you don't even know. Okay, this is so strong, you guys. People think that nitro thing is the caffeine killer. No, this thing right here is. 3 shots of espresso, so then the ice is for the pool, okay? Is it not so pretty? I don't know what my open mouth is. So there's my thumbnail. Okay, we already know that. That's my thumbnail, see? Okay? So the ice is for the pool, because I'll be laying out at the pool every day. Okay, don't think I won't. And then the 3 shots of espresso to stay up all night long, okay? Just be real alert. And that's what the lights and everything do to you anyway. And then the blonde is because we want to feel glamorous and pretty. You don't have to be blonde to be, listen, okay, I got white hair and I feel glamorous all the time. You cannot tell me I am not a movie star, okay? I mean, obviously I'm sitting on a camera in a car, okay? I mean, you cannot tell me I am not a movie star. So then, yeah, so then the blonde is for the glamour and the glitz of Las Vegas, and the biscotti is for, I mean, the flavor, the sexiness, okay, of Vegas. That's what it is, and that's why this is called the Vegas Allnighter, and you're gonna probably want to get one. Why wouldn't you? Okay, I have to tell you, this drink is actually pretty good, and this is so funny because, so let me just tell this little backstory on story since he mentioned this, if you didn't know yet, hear this yesterday. This is actually, and I wonder how many calories this has, because, okay, so it's a venti chai tea latte is what it says. Oh, here, I'll read it to you. Venti chai tea latte, triple ristretto, 4 pumps, toffee nut syrup, but then 3 shots of espresso. Yeah. So that's pretty good, don't you think? I don't know. If anybody wants to know the recipe for this, I want to see if I can go back through and get it for it, but I don't, you're gonna have to just go back through and I invented my own drink. Don't even worry about it. You can invent your own drink. The idea isn't to go get the Vegas Allnighter unless you really want to, and I'll try to put together like kind of a recipe below if I can. The idea is to, I don't know. Here, I'm gonna pull back through and see if I can get it. He's gonna get in so much trouble. But anyway, when I wrote my book, I invented, I don't want to get him into trouble. I'm not going to do that. You guys, I will put it in another, this person doesn't know if they're parking or where they're going. When I did my, I'm just gonna end it here. When I wrote my book, I did secret menu, drink on there, and I called it the Dusty, because it was, Danny was one character's name, and Rusty, and they fell in love, see? So they called their drink the Dusty, isn't that cute? Okay, always thinking, see? But anyway, because that was me, I wanted to have one. Okay, but what do you call it? A Palix? Okay? An Aper? I mean, between Alex and I, what do you call it? Okay? Palix? That doesn't work, okay? I'll have the Palix. I mean, that doesn't even sound right. That sounds like something like The Matrix or The Cube, that movie. Those stupid movies are stupid. So, and if Alex and I had a drink, it'd basically be iced coffee mixed with black iced tea, because that's what we both drink, okay? And he'd say no sweetener in it. Less sweet, more sour. Anyway, so, but anyway, So I started getting into all of these secret menu drinks, and I was like, I want to have my own drink. Well, you know my drink, okay? It's a venti iced coffee with 1 equal. That's called the Peter. So if you want the Peter Monn, you just go in there and ask for the Peter Monn, and they'll give you a venti iced coffee with 1 equal. You guys, I have to tell you, like, this is really, really strong. I can kind of feel it in my veins already. So it is good, though. All right, you guys, I will try to put below a little bit of a recipe in case anybody has it. We'll put the official recipe below, and we'll just call that the official recipe, okay? So, and if I can get it from Josh what it is, then I will put it below, and I will let you guys know that. So anyway, I love you. Thank you for watching this review, and I will be back tomorrow. I love you. Bye.